Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Note 12S with aesthetic design. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display with 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 84.5% screen-to-body ratio. With approximately 409 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass with punch-hole display. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel camera will also be located with punch-hole display. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 ROM on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical damages of the smartphone measures at 159.87 by 73.87 by 8.09 mm, and it weighs around 176 grams, and the color options Onyx Black, Ice Blue, Pearl Green, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS L1, 3.5 headphone jack with dual speakers and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi Note 12S has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 74,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 12S smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.